My name is Mitch Corwin. I'm the garage supervisor for the New Albany Floyd County School Corporation, located in southern Indiana. We have around 165 buses that we maintain in our fleet, all owned by the school corporation. We transport somewhere around 8,000 kids to and from school every day. What I've seen in my years in the industry is on the car and light truck side, lifts were commonplace even 25, 30, 40 years ago. In the heavy duty industry, you didn't see the lifts yet. But what I have seen in the last 10 years is that started to change. And that's when we began to look at the mobile columns and began researching those. And industry-wide, I mean, when you're looking at, there's lifts and then there's rotary lifts. But the thing that really stood out to us was the remote control. We didn't see that anyone else would offer that. You had to either be attached to one of the columns or be actually working at like an LCD screen on the columns. But for us, you know, everything's synced up. We can stand back, begin the lift process, evaluate from a vantage point that really helps us determine whether everything is set and adjusted right, and then take the lift up.
I really like working with Rotary's mobile columns. I especially like the remote feature where you can walk around and make sure that everything's safe going up and down. They are very easy to use. You turn on the remote, you have to roll the mobile lifts underneath the tires, and you just go to each one and turn it on and wait for the remote to sync. Once the remote has synced, it blinks all green and you're able to raise the bus up.
I think it's definitely helped us to be more efficient. You know, the timing and the setup's really an easy thing. You can have the columns under there, everything kind of set up and going up within just a matter of minutes. You might take a job that was maybe an exhaust replacement that was 4 or 5 hours long, and you could cut it down to a couple hours. Would I recommend Rotary's Flex Series mobile columns? I absolutely would. The quality's there. The service, if you do have issues, are there. Parts are available, and they're an American company, and that all factored into our decision to go with Rotary.